What's going on, everybody? Before we get into today's video, I want to give you guys a super special announcement. Today is the first day of our Color My Soul campaign. Now this is something we've never done before. It's super dope. Basically what it is we're giving you the chance to customize a Jordan 1 mid, and at the end, after we have all the submissions, all the entries, Vic is gonna go through and pick his favorite one. He's gonna actually make the custom on a Jordan 1 mid, give it to you if you win, and then we will also send $1,000 to the campaign foundation fundraiser of your choice. You have until October 7th to enter, and all the information will be in the link below. So go click on that. Make sure you guys go customize your Jordan 1 mid, and let's get into this video. So Vic was supposed to be here, what, like 20 minutes ago? Something like that, 20 minutes ago? We're just gonna FaceTime him and see where he's at. I give it 32% chance that he answers. On today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, we have something super special for you guys. Now, a few weeks ago on our Twitter page, we actually threw something up that was kind of like a giveaway, letting you guys know that you could submit your shoes into us to be cleaned on an episode of Shoe Care Academy. So that's what we're doing today. We got 3 pairs of shoes from 3 winners. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. See, I'm not sure what's in these boxes. They were just sent to us. I didn't get to pick the winners or anything, so it could really be anything in here. So let's go ahead and check it out. First pair, got some Stan Smiths. Set these out, throw that away. Next pair, we got some Adidas Calabasas, Yeezy Power Phases. Now these got gum all over it. The midsole's talking. These are pretty rough, but shouldn't be too much of an issue. Alrighty, and let's see what this third and final shoe is. Golf LaFleurs? I don't think so. Let me know down in the comments, guys. I'm not 100% sure if these are just like regular Converse or if these are the Golf LaFleur versions. Let me know, because I would love to know. But yeah, these things definitely need a good cleaning. These got mud all over them. But these are the 3 shoes that were submitted to us. So congratulations to the winners that did win this. We're gonna clean your shoes up and get these nice and clean. So, because he's late, I think it's only right to make Vic clean the hardest shoe, which is by far gonna be these suede Converse. I mean, these are caked in mud and who knows what else. I don't know how long these have been dirty, but I'm gonna give myself the easiest one. And that's gonna be this Stan Smith. Should be super easy. And then at the end, Vic's gonna clean this one. I'm gonna clean this one. We have a contest to see who cleans shoes better. Alrighty guys, so we do have 3 pairs of shoes to clean. I'm gonna start with the Stan Smiths right here for video purposes. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the right one, set the left one to the side. Now these are a size 12. Go ahead and take our adjustable shoe tree, and I guess it's about right there on that bad boy. Slide that bad boy in. Now we can put plenty of pressure on the toe box and not have to worry. Next step, take these laces out. We will get to cleaning. Oh my God, look at the tongue. There's literally like lace prints across the tongue, super filthy. Let's get these nice and clean. Rejuvenators, soft bristle brush, entire uppers, you know the spiel. Let's get to cleaning. Alrighty guys, so I did move on to the medium bristle brush just because the soft brush wasn't doing the best job at getting out like the deeper stains in the leather. Super safe to be using the medium brush. Again, this is an all leather shoe, so you're not gonna damage it. That's what we actually recommend using the medium brush on. As you can see, there are a bunch of scratches all over the shoe where the leather itself is damaged. Stuff like that is not gonna be cleanable, so you will see a lot of those stains and scratches and stuff like that throughout this cleaning. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move on. Uppers are looking pretty decent. I was able to get the tongue nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the midsole, and for that, we're going to use our stiff bristle brush. So let's get started. Alrighty, so shoes looking pretty decent. Laces are all cleaned up. We're still missing one thing though. Still haven't heard from Vick. No idea where the guy's at. Been like an hour since we called him, so I'm gonna go ahead and give him another call. Let's see where he's at. Yo, where you at?
What do you mean where I'm at? I'm right here next to you, dude. I've been here the whole time. Right here, dude.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Alrighty, so I have these shoes right here.
Yeah, those things are beat.
Yeah, dude, they're pretty bad. I've cleaned
Whose
them.
are those?
Jose from Texas is who they are. Shouts to Jose. Thanks for sending these in. But yeah, I'm not really sure if anything else can be done on these, man. What do you think? I
Let me check them out, dude. I've seen you scrub these for like the last hour while I was watching you over there.
Yeah, I appreciate the help.
I mean, honestly, they do look pretty clean. It's just beat from, you already know,
Yellowing,
oxidation and all these
right.
scratches that you mentioned. I think that's as clean as it's gonna get. If you want to get them cleaner, you need to remove the yellowing and do some painting. Check out my Monday videos for that kind of stuff. Right now, I think we should just move on to the next pair, man.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and set these aside, let these dry.
What else we got here? We got some Converse. Have you shown everybody what we're working with?
Yeah, I have shown everyone what we're working with. I actually told the
Basses.
audience that I'm gonna have you clean these.
Oh.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah. So
All
have
right.
fun with those. I'll take the
I'll give you the
Calabasas.
easy stuff
All right,
then.
all right,
I'll give
all
you the easy stuff.
All right, awesome.
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the laces and just get straight to it.
I bet you lunch I can clean these better than you can clean
No
those.
way, dude. You don't even have suede to work with. You don't even have mud all over the sole. Anybody could do those in their sleep.
I have yellowing though, natural wear. All these.
Are you gonna
gum
get
and
rid of the
stuff.
yellowing?
You think Rejuvenator's gonna get rid of gum? How am I gonna get rid of this gum? I have to
use
pick
your-
it with my hands.
Use your thumbnail. I'm gonna kind of make this into a race. Like,
Oh, we're gonna do a race.
I mean, I see you kind of like trying to speed remove the
have
laces.
you have a longer shoe than I do, so I should be able to finish before.
It's not a problem. I'm just gonna do my thing and let Hayden over there rush on
All right,
this guy's shoes,
all right,
unfortunately.
We'll see what goes down. We'll see what happens. I love it. I love the competition.
While you have an easy pair, make sure you finish a shoe over here.
All right, for sure. For sure, I got you.
Any chance you have an extra shoe tree?
Just one. How about we'll just do the right shoe.
All right, we'll start there. Yo, surprisingly, it has some good quality suede. It's not even bleeding at all.
How you looking over there on your side, Vic?
Dude, I'm pretty much done.
Yeah?
Came out pretty clean overall.
Yeah, same here.
Suede didn't bleed, got the mud off. Overall, it looked pretty good. How about your Calabasas?
I think they came out pretty decent. Obviously, there's a lot of creasing and
Yeah.
paint scratches that
You can't take care of.
can't get rid
Rejuvenator
of,
doesn't
but
fix that.
yeah,
but
as far as like dirt and the mud and stuff that were on them, they came pretty decent actually. The gum came off of the shoes, so
nice. Did you mention anything about putting these in the washing machine?
I didn't know.
I think we should put them in the washing machine just because they came out clean. This shoe's not gonna bleed. Those shoes I put in the washing machine a million times. Same thing with
they're
Adidas.
fine. Yep.
All safe shoes to put in the washing machine. And why not? You know, we want to get these shoes fully disinfected inside and out. Get these shoes looking brand new as close as possible at least. So why not just grab some laundry bags and put them in the washing machine.
Let's do it. Alrighty guys, we are back. Shoes are nice and dry, as you can see. I mean, I think they cleaned up pretty well.
They cleaned up all right. You know, all that grime and dirt that was all over the soles and uppers definitely washed off.
Came off, yeah. I mean, you still got like the leather scratches.
Yeah, you can't pay attention to that. You know, just, you know, our detergent, our rejuvenator solution, whatever we do is not gonna get rid of the scratches and scuffs or yellowing. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's been fully cleaned up, but they have. We did our best. We cleaned them inside and out. Same thing with the laces. The laces were super trash on these shoes. We went in and did our thing. Again, our rejuvenator products do not remove scratches and yellowing. Over here, these Converse are super trash. They were covered in mud. The uppers are pretty stained up. They're pretty dirty still right now, though, unfortunately.
I'm actually surprised with how good the midsoles came out.
The midsoles came out
like,
perfect.
They were legit caked in mud.
The midsoles came out perfect. The suede needs a little bit more work. I scrubbed it. You saw me scrub it for like a good 20-30 minutes. I put them in the washing machine. They're still a little bit stained up. These shoes were super beat. I am gonna have Hayden take care of them inside the store. He's gonna go in using our suede kit, suede eraser, brass bristle brush. Yep. That'll probably get rid of all the stains, right?
I think that'll get rid of like these leftover dirt stains. I mean, it's really just light stuff. Between the suede eraser, brass brush, I should be able to get those other stains
for sure. Everything else though looks pretty good to me, man.
Yeah, I mean, compared to how they originally came in, all the shoes, I'm definitely pretty happy with how they came out. One thing I do want to point out, and it could just be because of the lights and stuff, but I am almost actually pretty positive that the sun, because we set these out in the sun to dry, that the sun got rid of some of the yellowing.
For sure.
Obviously, it's hard to look back now that we have the shoes clean.
Now you pointed out, dude. I think it did help.
Pretty positive.
We did not put any Salon Care 40 on these shoes.
Nope.
Sometimes, occasionally, you can put the rubber or white shoes that are stained up or dirty outside under the sun. Sometimes it helps whiten stuff up. Sometimes it doesn't. But in this case, it definitely did remove some of the yellowing. So that's good. That's always
awesome.
A plus.
Yeah, most definitely.
So it's time to send these back. After we clean these up, we're sending these back to New York, Texas,
and California. Yep, a little bit of East Coast, West Coast. We got stuff from all over the place. I'll take care of the rest. I'll get these shipped out. Again, thank you to everyone who entered this kind of like giveaway. It's the first time we've ever done it, and it was super fun, super dope. I think we'll definitely do it again in the future. Make sure you tune in next Monday for this guy's next restoration video. It's gonna be a good one, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.
Peace.